In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag conversations in Intercom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add clear, consistent tags to your support threads so you can organize work, spot trends, and find what you need faster later on. First, head to your inbox. This is the home base for your customer messages and team replies. Make sure you're in the right workspace and viewing the inbox where the conversation lives. Tagging happens right inside the conversation, so you don't need to leave this view or open any extra tools. Next, open the conversation you want to categorize. Choose the thread you plan to report on, route later, or simply keep organized. Tags are most helpful when they reflect the actual topic or action you'll want to track, like billing, bug report, feature request, or priority level. Now hover your mouse over the specific message in that conversation. When you do, you'll see more options appear alongside the message. Look for the three dots icon, often shown as a small menu. If you prefer to work quickly, you can also use the keyboard shortcut T to jump straight into tagging without clicking. Click the three dots, then select Tag Message. This opens the tagging panel. Here's where you choose how to label the content. If your team already uses a shared set of tags, select one of the existing tags from the list. Consistency is key. Using the same tag names across the team keeps your reporting clean and your filters accurate. If you don't see what you need and your permissions allow it, create a new tag. Keep names short, specific, and easy to scan. For example, use billing refund rather than something vague like money, and consider sticking to a standard format like lowercase with hyphens so tags stay uniform. Once you've picked the right tag or created a new one, click Save. That's it. The tag is applied to the conversation based on the message you selected, and you'll typically see it appear in the conversation's details. If you're tagging multiple messages in the same thread with the same label, repeat the same quick flow to keep everything aligned. The result is immediate. The tag is now part of the conversation, and you can search or filter by that tag later to find similar issues, prioritize follow-ups, or measure volume over time. This makes it much easier to build reports and route work to the right people. To recap, head to Inbox, open a conversation, hover over a message, click the three dots or press T, choose Tag Message, pick or create your tag, and save. You're all set to keep your Intercom conversations organized and discoverable.